Hey everyone, today I'll be showing you how to create an AI chatbot to support your community members on Discord. To do this, we'll be using a tool called Mava, which is a customer support platform to support your customers across Discord, Telegram, web chat, email, and Slack. But today we'll be specifically focusing on the Discord side of things. Setting this up will take just 5 to 10 minutes and you will not need any experience in coding. However, the chatbot will be fully customizable and it will be answering questions based on your own documentation and FAQs, and the content will be geared towards your specific company or project. So to get started, head to mava.app and hit the sign up free button. I then get taken to the sign up page where I can sign up for free with my email. I'm asked to pick a username and team name. And as the last step, I just need to confirm my email address and I am in. So this is the main dashboard where you've got tickets coming in from these different platforms like Telegram and Discord. However, as mentioned, today we'll be focusing specifically on Discord and more particularly how to set up an AI chatbot in Discord. So as a first step, I need to integrate my Discord server with Mava. You can do this by going into the settings page, navigating to integrations, and pressing the connect button in the Discord section. You'll then get asked to select the Discord server that you want to connect with. In this case, I'm going to be connecting it with my personal server, Iris Personal. Continue. I'm asked to give it the permission that the bot needs in order to perform its functionalities. Note that we don't ask for admin permissions. It's purely the permissions that are needed for the bot to perform its functions. I authorize it. As a next step, you're asked to select a channel in which you want to embed a ticket panel. So this is for users to open private support tickets. You will have to go through this step, and then afterwards you can decide whether you want to use both private tickets and the public AI support, or whether you only want to use the public AI support or only want to use the private tickets. So in this case, I'm picking my support channel. I can customize my ticket panel if I want. And let's just check in Discord to make sure that that panel has been pushed. Yeah, so this is the new panel that I just created and that is successfully added into my Discord channel. So as mentioned, in this video, we are specifically focusing on how to create your AI support. So in order to do that, you have to navigate into the AI section, into Mava, and go into your settings. Here, you'll need to add your organization name. So in this case, it's Mava, but in your case, it will be your own company name. And you'll be asked to upload a short description of your company. This is really important so that the bot has context on what your company is about. It doesn't have to be long, but just a short 1 or 2 paragraph description. You'll then also need to turn on the public AI assistant for the public Discord chatbot to work. And as a next step, you'll have to go to upload sources, press the upload content button, and here is where you can add your content. So for example, you can add Google Docs links, Gitbooks, FAQs on your website, etc. So in our case, most of our documentation lives on Gitbook. So I have added our Gitbook link, which is mava.gitbook.io. Then typically it takes a couple of minutes for that content to upload. And once you have uploaded it, you can get started with your AI chatbot. So one thing to note is that depending on how you've set up your Discord server, you might have to manually give the right permissions to the Mava bot in each channel that you wanted to answer in. In my case, since this is a basic server that doesn't have tons of custom permissions, by default, the Mava bot has been added already to all of my channels, and I can immediately start asking it some questions in whatever channel I want. And also it's important to know that how this chatbot works is that it will only answer questions that it has an answer to, and it will only answer support related questions. So it won't answer questions like how are you or what's the weather like today? It will only answer support related questions related to your project. So for example, I can ask it a question now. Does Mava have a free plan? We're seeing the Mava bot is typing and it is answering, yes, Mava is a premium pricing model and you can get started for free. I can ask it another question. And it has just answered me, how do I integrate with Discord? So it's given me the steps how to integrate, and also it's given me a reference, so I can see what part of the document it has taken this from, and also if I'm a user and I want to know more, I can click this link to get the full context. So that is it. If you would also like to use this AI outside of public channels and into your private support tickets, you can configure that via your chatbot builder in Mava, and you can decide when and where you want the AI to answer when users open a private support ticket via the support ticket panel. But we have another more detailed video on how to set up your private support tickets. The link is in the description. So that's it. You've now built your own custom AI bot for your Discord server in less than 10 minutes. If you have any questions, feel free to reach out to our team and we'll be happy to help.